Hi everybody, I am Juan Carlos Riveros.
Hi everyone, my name is Carla Alba.
We are StatWay, a Chilean startup developing an innovative learning model in ethical hacking, a field that is essential to protect digital systems worldwide. We are addressing a global challenge, the shortage of qualified cybersecurity professionals.
In Latin America, thousands of cybersecurity positions remain unfilled. Preparing for certifications like the eJPT often takes 3 to 5 years through self-study. Current positions are slow, expensive, and confusing.
We are still building our solutions, but we already launched part of our platform. It includes hands-on labs and step-by-step guidance, helping students get ready for certifications in just 3 to 4 weeks.
Our model is designed to be clear, effective, and accessible. We receive early validation from paying users and positive feedback from cybersecurity learners across the region.
Our approach aligns with current Chilean cybersecurity regulations and follows international ethical standards. We are working to scale this model across Latin America. With StatWay, we are building the future of ethical hacking in education. Join our mission, join StatWay.